Darkness buried in the boundary. The case of illegal dumping of industrial waste at the Aomori, Iwate border, April 2003. The illegal dumping of industrial waste at the border between Shichinohe Town, Aomori Prefecture, and Ichinohe Town, Iwate Prefecture, is known as one of the largest illegal waste dumping incidents in Japan. And it was discovered in the 1990s and early 2000s that licensed disposal companies were illegally dumping large amounts of industrial waste without properly processing it. The total amount of waste dumped amounted to about 1.15 million tons, of which about 80% was concentrated on the Aomori Prefecture side and about 350,000 tons on the Iwate Prefecture side. # Incident Discovery and Administrative Actions. In 1999, the situation was discovered by a report from a resident. Both Aomori and Iwate prefectures launched a joint investigation. According to the Aomori Prefectural Government, piles of construction waste, sludge, waste plastic, and cinders were found at the site, and toxic substances were detected in some of the waste. On the Iwate side, the prefectural government's investigation also raised concerns about contamination of soil and groundwater, and immediate action was called for. However, the illegal activities of the contractor were cleverly covered up, highlighting the laxity of the government's monitoring system. # Restoration Plan and Financial Burden. In 2004, the Ministry of the Environment officially approved the restoration plan, and the waste removal and soil remediation work began. A total of 92.2 billion yen was spent on the removal work, with Aomori Prefecture bearing 41.4 billion yen, Iwate Prefecture 22.1 billion yen, and the national government 28.7 billion yen. The work began in earnest in 2007 and was carried out in stages to reduce the environmental burden. # Progress of removal and final disposal. The removal work will continue through the 2020s, with all waste removal completed by 2023. In conjunction with this, remediation of the contaminated soil has been underway, and wastewater treatment facilities have been installed to prevent groundwater contamination. In addition, vegetation restoration has been promoted through the use of soil improvement techniques, and the environment is gradually recovering. # Measures to prevent recurrence and introduction of monitoring technology. In response to this incident, Aomori and Iwate prefectures have greatly strengthened their monitoring systems for industrial waste treatment. Specifically, licensing standards for industrial waste disposers were tightened, surveillance cameras were installed, and regular monitoring by drones was introduced. In addition, a waste distribution management system was utilized to create an environment in which fraud is less likely to occur. # Land use and future issues. Regarding land use after the removal of the waste, reuse of the land in a form that has a low environmental impact is being considered. In particular, the rehabilitation of forest conservation areas and the introduction of renewable energy, e.g., solar power generation facilities, are planned, with the aim of achieving sustainable development of the region. Educational activities are also underway to prevent recurrence, with cooperation between the government and local residents. # Lessons learned from the incident and future prospects. This incident highlighted the fragility of Japan's industrial waste management. The need for proper monitoring and strict regulation has been reaffirmed, and a review of environmental protection policies is required. In addition, to prevent similar incidents, it is essential to raise awareness of compliance among contractors and establish a sustainable waste management system. -- Related information. Aomori Prefectural Government Archive * Detailed information on the circumstances of the Incident and measures taken. Iwate Prefecture Environmental Policy page ** explanation of the illegal dumping problem and countermeasures at the prefectural border. Japan Federation of Bar Associations report * legal analysis of the incident and recommendations for countermeasures. Recycle Hub article * explains the case from a waste management perspective. Togo Town Initiatives * measures for environmental conservation and community revitalization promoted by the town.